What do you think are the long-term effects of Dodd-Frank on hedge funds?
Hedge funds are too big, too profitable, and too important in the marketplace to be unregulated. I think the first step was to regulate the hedge fund managers, and that's a good change. I think there'll be increased scrutiny of the hedge fund business in the long term.
Well, what can hedge fund managers do to combat this?
Well, it is what it is. I think the scrutiny in the law will apply to hedge funds as it does now and may change in the future. I think the reality is that hedge fund managers may either close up shop and take their clients into private account situations where they have no fund anymore. They're running the money privately for that client on a one-on-one basis. Or they'll run their money in a more transparent, public way, the way mutual funds do, and live with the regulations and the laws that apply.
What are the long-term effects of Dodd-Frank on broker-dealers?
Interestingly, Dodd-Frank didn't really affect broker-dealers in a material way, but the real long-term question is whether or not the law will change and impose a fiduciary duty on broker-dealers, as is currently the case for investment advisors.
And do you think the law will change?
I think the law will likely be evaluated very carefully. There'll be a lot of pressure from the broker-dealer community not to change the law. This could affect their liability posture going forward and the standards by which they are judged by their clients, but I think there'll be a lot of pressure to equalize advisors and broker-dealers over the long term, yes.